Yo, minute. Wristwatch. Mommy say, you get burned from your play with flames, but a pain heal pain, pain heal pain, yeah. Anyone who got me now left this, now make no money if you no take risks. Me no like people, my money and me gonna my friendship. We day in a crowd act like nobody no exist. Yo, pain and anger, but man get stronger. All of them want stop the vibes on me under, but me have any sippy days and ganja. Rifle there when me feel afraid of a man for. Pain and anger, but man get stronger. Meaning, which pussy that I talk always soon feel. As him talk, him see few BM killers out night dark once if you care. Come here force white like it's a two-piece, alright. A bag of fight coming too great. Hypocrite we have the eyes, them for see two snakes. Can't catch my drive, coming no use brakes. Yo, minute. Pain and anger, but man get stronger. All of them want stop the vibes on me under, but me have any sippy days and ganja. Rifle there when me feel afraid of a man for. Pain and anger, but man get stronger. Yeah, hear me now. Enough things inside. Enough boy we sell out big time. You no sick but red eye and no pink eye. You know fi there so I live life. Enough things inside. Enough things inside. And I just man alone. You see all girls switch sides. Fully dark if my smile that a disguise. Come with chick style but not this time. The zigzag and 4-5 fries. Burger with beef, them don't come with fries. Have you ever robbed a 3-star pound windpipe or fire this when time police inside? What talk can I bring fight? Remember obstacles before rich life. Yeah, yeah. A pain and anger but man get stronger. All of them want stop the vibes that we under, but we have any sippy days and ganja. Rifle a foot when me feel afraid of a man for. Yo, minute. Pain and anger, but man get stronger. Pain and anger, but man. You know the badness now, man. Hold more. All of them want stop the vibes that we under, we have any sippy days and ganja. Rifle a foot when me feel afraid of a man for.
DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelts.
It's your girl Noir, and I'm locked into the weekend drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is your girl Shally, and I'm locked into this weekend drive with my boy DJ Perryvilla. You better fasten your seatbelt.
This is Asabe, and I'm locked into the weekend drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
This is Yeza and I'm locked into the weekend drive with DJ Perryvilla. Fasten your seatbelts.
Rebellion, you know. I mean, I say one year epic, you know. Welcome to the weekend drive with DJ Perryvilla. Please fasten your seatbelt.
Hey yo, big up Perryvilla Island. Bless up the massive system. Shabina don't tell them. Boom.